everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, we're gonna discuss about adjective. The first is definition of adjective. An adjective is a word used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. It gives more information about a person, place, things, or idea. An adjective usually answer the questions like what kind, which one, and how many. For the example, like the tall pole. Tall is adjective. A purple bottle. Purple is adjective. Adjective provide more details about nouns. Okay guys, that's all the definition of adjective. Now we continue to the function of adjective. The function of an adjective is to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. It limits or explains the meaning of the noun by answering what kind, which one, and how many. For the example, like he has a nice shoes. Nice is adjective. And I like this cake. This the adjective. And she has two cakes. Two is adjective. If a word describes a noun or answers those questions, it functions as an adjective. Okay guys, it's all the function of adjective. Now we continue to the types of adjective. Adjective have some types. The first type is descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective describe the quality, appearance, or characteristic of a noun. For the example, like a beautiful hair. Beautiful is adjective. And any example like a tall building. Tall is adjective. And the second type is quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective show how much or how many of a noun there is. For the example like 4 pen. 4 is adjective. The third type is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective are used to point out specific nouns. Words like this, that, this, and those. For the example like this phone. This the adjective. And those book. Those the adjective. The fourth type is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective show ownership or possession. Words like me, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For the example like my dress. My is adjective. Or their cake. There is adjective. The fifth type is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns. Words like which, what, and whose. For the example like which dress do you want? Which is the adjective. And whose pen is this? Whose is the adjective. The sixth type is comparative adjective. Comparative adjectives are used to compare two nouns. For the example like a smarter worker. Smarter is the adjective. And a smaller car. Smaller is a adjective. And the seventh type is superlative adjective. Superlative adjective show the highest or lowest degree among three or more nouns. For the example like the tallest pole. Tallest is adjective. Or the best friends. Best is adjective. That is the types of adjective. Now we continue to characteristic of adjective. First is function. Adjective describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For the example like a happy friends. Happy is the adjective. The second is position. Possessive. Adjective usually come. Adjective usually come before a noun or after a linking verb. For the example, like the bottle is purple. Purple is adjective. The third is degrees of comparison. Adjective can have 3 degrees. For the example, like adjective smart to adjective smarter and to adjective smartest. The fourth is form adjectives. Do not change for singular or plural nouns or gender. For the example, like 2 big bags. Big is the adjective. The fifth is attributive and predicative use. Attributive before a noun. Predicative after a verb. For the example, like a delicious soup. The soup is delicious. Delicious is adjective. Adjective are words used to describe or modify nouns and pronouns. They give clearer information by answering the question what kind, which one, and how many. Adjective have one main function, which is to explain or limit the meaning of nouns. They come in different types, such as descriptive, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, comparative, and superlative adjective. Adjectives also have specific characteristics, including their position in a sentence and their forms of comparison. Understanding adjectives helps students describe people, place, and things more clearly and accurately in English sentence. Okay guys, that's all the definition, function, types, and characteristic of adjective. In the next video, we're gonna discuss about verb. See you next video guys!